Hi everyone, I hope you're all well. Praise God. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pauline. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a beanie hat. So let us get started with the tutorial. I'm going to use a 4-ply yarn and a 3.5mm hook crochet. So to start by making a slip knot. Then after making the slip knot, make like 70 chains. So this one, it will depend with the size of the beanie hat that you want. If you want a bigger one, you increase the chains. Then you start making on the first row, you make single crochet. So no, not single crochet, you make half double crochet. Okay, so half double crochet is just to yarn over, insert your hook on the chain, pull up the loop, just like that. It is very simple. It is not hard. You can do it like that. So once you are done with that, the first row, you see, it will look like that. By the end of that row, insert your hook, pull up the loop, then that is the last stitch. So your work should look like this. Then chain one, turn your work. Then this is where you're going to learn how to work on the second row. So you insert your hook and then make half double crochet. On that half double crochet, there is that last loop. You see there are 3. You insert your hook there. Then on the chain, you insert your hook like that. Then you pull through the 3 loops. On the last loop, you insert your hook, then you pull through the 3 loops like that. It's very simple. It is not hard. Yeah? You see? It is not hard. Yes, very simple. You insert on the 3rd loop. Now your work should look like that. And by the end of that row, okay, for this one I was doing for half double crochet, I was just chaining 1 before turning the work, but I think you can chain 2. Then you turn your work, you start on the 3rd row. The 3rd row, you're just going to repeat the same. You're using the back loop, then insert your hook, then like that. You see, it is not hard. Unless you don't want to learn. It's very simple. Yes, like that. Then your work should look like that. And by the end of that, you make 7 rolls. I didn't count my rolls, but then you're going to join your work. But the length was allowed 16.5. Yeah, as you saw myself doing with the step measure. Then you use the needle with the yarn to join. You can use a crochet, you make a single crochet, or you use the needle. You do the that hemming. We were calling it hemming in school. You do the hemming. By that, at the end of that, you make like those rolls the way they are. I was picking like 5. This is to make my work easy when I'm pulling. My yarn haitakatika. Yeah, when I'm pulling, you'll be able to pull like that. It is very easy. Then you insert your needle. Insert your needle up to the end. So you remain with a very small hole there. When you do once, like if you pull the yarn once, it will be very hard to make that small hole. Na hata yarn yako inaweza katika. Now to avoid this, that's why you use this trick. I don't know whether it works for everyone, but it worked for me. Then by the end you have a small hole remaining. You pull, then you use your pom-pom to insert there. So you just fix it, and you use a lot. You make sure that it is well fixed. Usiache ikihang. You ensure that it is well fixed. This one is it is a ready-made one, but if you want, you can make one using yarn. If you want a tutorial on the same, I can show you for free.